This animation illustrates what happens in the arrInit program. Here, it declares the integer variable j. Now, it declares the integer array A, which has a size of n, which is 3. Next, it declares the integer array D, which has a size of 3 again, but we initialize the first two spots to 1 and 2. The third spot will be automatically initialized to 0 since we did not specify it explicitly. The integer array E is initialized to 0 in the first spot, but following the default initialization rule, the other two spots are also initialized to 0, so in effect we have initialized the whole array to 0. The integer array F is declared here, but not initialized. We create a character array Golf, which we did not tell it how long it should be, but since we told it to initialize to ZARINA, it automatically counted the length of the array and allocated 6 spaces. We use a for loop to initialize every spot in A to 0. Now we print everything out. First we print the indexed. Then we print A and see that everything is 0 just as we initialized it with the for loop earlier. Now we print D and we see that just as we initialized it earlier, the first two spots are 1 and 2, but the third spot, which we did not specify, is automatically initialized to 0. Now we print E and we see that everything is 0 just as we had initialized it earlier. Now we print F and we see that F has random values in it because we never initialized it, so whatever happened to be in memory at the time is what you get. Finally, we print Golf and we see ZARINA as we had initialized it too.